back to a new video, guys. Today we're playing Teardown, Mexico. Huh. Oh. Shoot. Ooh, soup. I'm pretty sure it's a soup. There's a salsa. It could be neither. Alright, and dump truck. No. I can't go in a dump truck. Ah, oh, man. What a shame Godzilla can't come after me. Oh, man. What is going on? Oh! Ah! Dang it, I died. How? By what? Wait. Oh, Godzilla! Bro just got flipped. Yo, have some salsa, Godzilla. Guess he didn't like the salsa or what? Wait, it says. Hold on, what does it say? Oh, I'm stupid. Basket of apples. Here, get some basket of apples. Looks like salsa. What's this? Here, you want some potatoes? They're also healthy. No? That's a shame. How about cucumbers? Also no. Okay. How about some nuclear food? Really? Alright, you know what? I'll give you some nuclear. There. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Well, I guess no. Alright, can we at least help you out? Because you're like flip, brother. Brother. He needs help. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, man. Yo. He's gonna get a piano dropped on him. He's gonna get... Oh, man. Still trying to figure out the controls on this PS4 controller. Ugh, garbage. Whatever. Ooh, what is this? Mexican? Overpriced peppers. I think everything's overpriced. Since inflation. Hey! Don't like your peppers? That's probably how you breathe fire from your own mouth. Oh, come on. What is this? Sliced... Oh, strange berries. That's a little weird. Okay. Ah, man. Well, you know what? Let's just both go to the moon. Oh! I think Godzilla did not like that. Wait, is he up? Is he moving? This has got chaotic. Weesh. Alright, and... Oh, I wanted that to take it to... Whatever. Just use... I can't pick... Oh, here. Oh, man. There we are. No, I want you... No, whatever. Wait, can you make parkour? Parkour. Sorry. Okay, I can freeze that. It's not what I want. What does it say? Nothing? Okay. Mexico. Okay, we need destruction tools. Whoa! What in the world? Destruction. Yay! Destruction came. Deserts. Wait, is there a desert in Mexico? I don't think there is. There is. I've never been to Mexico, but I might be wrong. Ouch. Whoa, what is this? Okay, what is all this bombs? Oh, that's why. I keep pressing the button. Stupid. Meteor strike. These actually... No. That's sad. They don't actually come. Gravitizer. Gravitize. What does it say? Oh, Velocidad Maxima. Oh, velocity maximize. No, I'm not saying that wrong. Godzilla. Oh, I can. Oh. Well, we're not gonna see Godzilla ever again. Yeah, he's gone. He probably went to space. Hold on. What can shoot me to space? This thing. Okay, shoot me to space. Whoa, whoa, we're actually going. Oh. I actually thought we were actually going to space there. Man. Screw you, bro. No, 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 no. Man. I could have jumped on that. Ah, man. Like, there's nothing here that I could go on. Ooh, ooh, dump truck. Yeah, this will get the job done. Yes, I'm going to space. I'm going to space with Godzilla. Oh, what? Wait, I can't go to space? Oh. Oh no. Oh. Wait, where am I? Oh, wait. Sorry about that, guys. What's this on my screen? Whoa, whoa. Anger cube. Where'd you come from? Don't step on me, bro. I'll let someone just play around with, okay? Oh no. Get in here. Oh, I think I'm safe. Probably want to go on the second level. See? I'm safe. Yeah. Multiple. Whoa. Never mind. I'm not safe. You died. Score 8. Oh. These are starting to try. What? Ow. What is going on at this point? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I'm dead. Man. What is this game? Oh no. Go. Bust open the door. I'm smarter than AI. Oh, how? Alright, you know what? Let's try this again. Oh. A. Whoa. Ouch. How? Like, does this thing know where I am or something? What? I literally just started. Alright, I'm restarting the map. Just wait. Hey guys, my game glitched, so why don't we play this game? It's a suspension bridge. I always wanted to go on one of these buses. See what was the inside? Okay. I did not want to go inside, I just wanted to open the door. Thank you. I'll close the door. Yo. This is actually a pretty cool bus. I was hired to drive it. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. This is weird. This is a weird suspension bridge. Whoa! No. Don't take me with. Whoa. Something weird is happening. What happens if I do this? Oh no. Haha, bus. See you later. Haha, bye bus. And I'm not going. Yo, I am. No. Oh, what? That's cool. This actually does. I haven't not been on a suspension bridge, but this looks like a real suspension bridge. Whoa. There we are. Just gonna. Well, we should bring chaos. Shall we? Wait. Let's bring some chaos. Oh no. What happened over here? Oh. I should have expected this. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, this suspension bridge just got crazy. Oh no. I think everything on that side is gonna break. Oh no, I think the karma's coming after me. That bus I sank. I think the karma's coming. Oh, I'm lucky I'm not there. Oh wait, nope. I said that too soon. I jinxed it, kids. How? How is that still up there? Well, 9 more. Wait, no, 9 more. This is cool. $23K views. Yeah. This does a lot of damage. Sheesh. I'm scared. Whoa. Ah. Ouch. Ooh. Man. Look how much damage it does. This does a lot of damage. This is just fireworks. Who knew fireworks are that dangerous? Well, they are technically TNT. So, oh no. It's happening again. Oh no. No. Oh no. The floor underneath. No. No, I'm just gonna cheat. I'm sorry, guys. And this is what happens when you cut suspension ropes. Parkour, parkour, parkour. Nope. I really thought I would parkour that one out. But psych. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, karma got me that time. I cannot escape. This never-ending heck. Oh no. How am I safe? Or look like I'm not there. There. There we are. And boom. Yeah. Goodbye, suspension bridge. I just killed myself. Wait, oh, I'm still alive. I was over there. Pretty sure. Look at this. The bridge no longer exists. Oh. Wait, what? Glitch again? Oh no, it's not. Okay. Phew. Well, I think this is the way to end it. Hold on. Not yet. I'll just do a firework launcher. Aw, I can't break that. Oh yeah, it does. Well, see you guys. This is Star J Games, and see you guys. Yes. Aw. What? It's like attached. Okay. And come on. You know what? You know what make it do it faster? Ended. You know what? We get it. Just fall. There we are. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next week. Post every weekend. See you guys.